Hi, this is Richard C. I'm a math tutor at Wyzant answering a pre-calculus problem, this is probably from Algebra 2. We want to find the inverse of this function. So I'm just going to do the work down here. Let's see what's going on. Okay. Okay, so y is equal to log base 6 of x minus 1. So the way you find the inverse function is you swap the x and the y, just exchange them. So we'll have x equals log base 6 of y minus 1. And then we're going to solve for y. So I'm going to rewrite this logarithmic equation as an exponential equation. So that's going to give me 6 to the x is equal to y minus 1. And then y is going to be 6 to the x plus 1. Very simple. And this is our inverse. Okay, so you might want to check your work. I decided to get a little bit graphical here. And I put these two graphs, this original graph of f of x and then this graph of f inverse. I put them into Desmos, and I'm going to show it to you now. And this is just a fun way of checking your work. Okay. So let me just size this properly. Then we can look at it. Okay, so here is the original function. Log base 6 of x minus 1. Here's the inverse function, which is in blue. So this red one is the original function, and the blue is the inverse function. And then we add in, just to help us see things better, we add in the line y equals x. That's in green. And you can see, you can verify that these two functions are inverses of each other, because one is a reflection of the other over that line y equals x. And you can see that visually pretty darn well, I think. Another way to do it would be to plot points or just trust that you didn't make a mistake. But this is a little bit more fun to do it this way, to check your work this way. And I suggest that you get familiar with Desmos. Chances are you're a sophomore or a junior in high school, and you'll be having access to the digital SAT that's coming up, the digital PSAT that's coming up in October, the digital SAT coming up in March of next year, and Desmos is part of that. It's built into the software that you use to take the SAT in the future. So, and it's a great tool. Okay, well, that's it for this one. Pretty quick and easy. I'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.